Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of how Verizon Tech Pack works. This is some new program Verizon started. I'm one of the first ones to receive my package. It costs $0 to sign up, obviously. Use your email, everything valid. Make sure your identity is you because they're gonna ship it to you. Select your preferences on their technology. They charge your credit card. Actually, it's like a pre-authorization. That's what I was told for $250 right before your package goes out, so you know that package is coming towards you. As soon as the package ships out, that authorization just lifts off. So nobody charges your card. Receive the package, open it up, use the items, not break, obviously. Use the item, keep whatever you want. You just put everything you don't need into the box and send it back to Verizon. They deduct those and then they charge you for what you just kept at the house. This is my first box I received. I was excited to receive it. It was well packed. Like, this is a very presentable box, and everything else is like really protected inside. Verizon did a really good job branding on this. Kind of like a folded box, and then you open it up and then boom, this is what I got. This is my first package getting from Verizon. I got a, let me see, why is it covered up here? Oh yeah, the paperwork was in here. So I got an LG Bluetooth headset, a speaker, and a drone. The little DJI Tele, I think it's Tele, yeah, it's Tele. So it's well packed, like you see. I didn't pick these up. All I said was I'm interested with drones, other electronics and all that, and Verizon randomly packed these up, put them in a box, and I have a return label too with it right here in my paperwork. All I have to do is just play with these, whatever I like, I'll keep it and then put them in a box and send them back. I don't have to spend a dime to see and test what technology I like, or see I really like the speaker, do I like the drone, all that, without even spending a dime. Verizon made it really easy. I strongly suggest this program if you like electronics or any other stuff that they have to offer. Obviously Tech Pack, so it's going to be mostly electronics. But sky's the limit. They got a lot of stuff over there. If you're looking to buy something, this is a great opportunity. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just saying that this is a really nice program. So I always look for new technology, and I think this is a very good opportunity for people who are looking for like newer technology without spending a lot of money. There's a price sheet in it when it comes up, so you know the price of it. If you keep it, it's going to cost you this much. So there's no surprises in there. Like, everything is clearly marked and all that. So I'm very excited about my first package. I think the first thing I'm going to use is the little drone. If you haven't signed up for it, go ahead and sign up. It's free. They don't charge you until you decide to keep it. Let me know if you have any questions.